everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Dominique, and this is Exist for Travel. And this morning, I am in Singapore, and I'm going to take a beautiful morning walk. So, Singapore is really warm and hot and humid. And one of the reasons why I like taking morning walks is that if I'm someplace like Singapore where the weather is definitely warm, I can get out early before the sun rises and really take a nice stroll. So that's what I'm doing this morning. And I'm really happy that I decided to get up early and not go to the gym, but take my walk outside because Singapore is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And one of the things I like about Singapore is how they incorporate green into the big city here that I'm in Singapore. And this is on Orchard Street. So, Orchard Street is really busy during the day. It's a very popular street, especially for tourists. So, if you're looking for a location that's convenient, has public transportation, and has plenty of shops and things to do and things to see, this area is fantastic. So, today I'm going to take you for a walk, but I'm actually putting up the volume a little bit in some areas because I want you to hear the beautiful birds singing in the morning. So, let's go for a walk, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please, if you do enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So as you can see as we're walking, that they are already getting ready for Christmas. So I think Singapore would be a great place to go for the holidays. When I'm filming this particular video, it is November, and already I saw lots of activity of them preparing and getting Christmas trees up and decoration. So I think if you're looking for a warmer Christmas, Singapore might be a great place for you to go and celebrate. And you can do lots of shopping for gifts. No need to bring any gifts with you. You can do all of that here. All right, so I want you guys to see if you can hear these birds as we're walking because it got so intense that there were several times that I kind of paused and looked up to see if I could see them, but I couldn't. I couldn't see them. But oh my gosh, I have never heard birds singing the way these birds in Singapore do. It was absolutely amazing. And at the same time, for those of you who remember the movies and the shows like The Birds, back in the day, I'm kind of showing my age here, that's what this felt like. Felt like I was in a scene from the movie The Birds. But what an absolutely lovely morning. So if you are in Singapore, I definitely encourage you to take a morning walk so you can hear the birds the way I did this morning. So the amount of shopping that's on Orchard Street is just absolutely insane. You can find any of the top stores on this particular street. There's so much shopping here and so many different shopping centers and shopping malls. It's fantastic for shopping. And I love walking in malls. I love looking and doing window shopping in some of the stores. So if you're like that, then you definitely will love Orchard Street in Singapore. It's really great for that. All right, so here I am. I'm walking and filming at the same time. And I always show appreciation in my morning walks for my feet. You know, walking is something that sometimes we take for granted that we can do it and that we can explore wherever we are traveling to and existing in that particular country or city. And walking to me is just such a great way to enjoy wherever you are, you know, seeing the sights, really taking it a little slower, you know, and really just breathing that air, whatever that air is like. Hopefully, it's nice and clear like this air in Singapore was. And you really can just simply enjoy where you are. And it's a great time for me to show my gratitude, to give thanks. And that's what I normally do when I'm doing these types of morning walks, especially when I'm traveling and I'm in the city and I just want to show that appreciation and really take it in. And that's what I do on these morning walks. It's serene, it's peaceful. I take in the city, I look at some of the people getting ready to start their day, go to work, go to school, whatever they're going to do for that day. And here in Singapore, hearing the birds so loudly, it's amazing. Everybody matters. I had to take a picture of that because I really believe that in celebration of colors. That's definitely both of those I think are things that we need to be reminded of, you know, having that color and that brightness in our life. And that's what I think this walk does because you could see so much color in Singapore. It's really wonderful among all of this green that you're seeing in nature, being reminded of where you are. It's wonderful. And I really like that. So, like I said, you can definitely see some of the holiday decorations already coming up. And look at the carousel, it's just gorgeous, really cute. It's just a really great street. I'm so happy that we picked this location. And if you're still watching, go ahead and subscribe. Do me a favor and subscribe. Come back, watch some other videos. We're going to have more content to come. My husband and I are always busy trying to work on these videos. So we really appreciate it if you give us a thumbs up. If you make comments, that would be great also. We really do appreciate it. So you really can hear the birds here. You know, whenever I got near the trees, it got just a little bit louder. I hope you guys can hear that. All right, guys, so this is just a little sneak peek of my walking that I did this morning. I hope you enjoy these walking videos, and I love watching them and watching other people do these videos. So I'm hoping that you guys enjoy it also. I just love walking, and I love walking with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Please subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Happy travels.